My name is Chuck Townsend. I'm a Floridian, United States Army retired combat veteran, public insurance adjuster apprentice. I knew the decision to come to Southwest Florida to help my brothers and sisters with recovery efforts was something that I had to do. As Hurricane Ian aggressively pushed towards the coast of Florida, Cal Spoon, owner-operator of Insurancebusters.net, called to see if I could come and help with the food operations. We knew we were going to need enough space to feed thousands of people in the path of this violent hurricane, and I immediately thought about my fellow veterans and wanted to make sure they were not forgotten about during recovery efforts. I called the president of American Legion Post 110, Jay Hemingway of Port Charlotte, Florida, to see if his post could facilitate our operation and get the message out to vets and the community that help was on the way. Jay did exactly that, and within a few hours, with the assistance of the American Legion commanders and staff, we were able to put together a very large feeding site, call upon other public adjusters, attorneys, and volunteers from all over the United States to come to the rescue. It was amazing to see so many members of the industry come together in such a short period of time. We even had members of the industry fly in coolers of food from all over the country. After a few days of feeding the public, members of the community that had lost everything they owned volunteered to also help feed fellow community members. Even though we could not accept donations from the community, it was touching to see them bring their own food from home to try and help their community. To date, we have fed over 60,000 hot meals to Hurricane Ian victims, shelters, and churches, and anyone that needed a hot meal. As we continue to get through the devastation and recovery efforts, we want the victims of Hurricane Ian to know that we are still here. They can come to our office at 3792 Tamiami Trail, Port Charlotte, Florida, where your most important investment is our priority. Give us a call at 877-412-BUST.